hotel workers in the Atuasawa. Shooting this morning, we say Bulunaka, Dolabina.
Dolare.
Mataka Binaka di Kua, and the hotel and Barawi Singatoka, my Nandi, my Devo di Dangi Kiviti, my Domul non the Banua, ni Andra, ni Mata Vinaka Mai.
Hey, well, good morning to William Melinganganga. This fellow just finished work this morning and tuning in from his house. He can sleep. He said he can sleep. He 2 bags waiting for. He said, "I'm waiting for you to come on 12 o'clock. Then we mix again."
Yeah.
I told him no. Myself, my brain no low battery.
Huh?
Not low battery in my brain.
Yeah.
I don't want to come. You just drink alone. Just drink alone.
Right.
Yes.
Good morning to everyone joining this morning, even though very cold season we are going through now.
Yeah.
But we are fortunate enough that we have heard people talking. We love each other. We see each other. Some of us we are unfortunate.
Yeah.
They are not rich this morning. They gone. Some of us they are trying their very best to be in this morning, but can't. It's all up above plan. But we are thanks enough for us for our living this morning.
Ada benak bikin wakanda di sama cuma biasa berbual na mata di kuah, na bitul lengon di sala, mai tahu juga bito saki, na buku di kiana lebu cuma toli li na mata kaya dah bawa bibi rusur corridor, akhirnya me ni maru takati ko na bito kani, na mata kadi pakat na bisik di kuah, na nonda outs palagi show. Saya kalau bikin na kasi ngubul talaga, bikin kita na kasi nibuli, di sama cuma na pakat na bisik di kuah.
Hey, boleh bilang tu Ani Tehana? From
China.
China.
Monikoso.
Oh, good morning. Nasabuki Moturiki. Likewise to John Kumar and Dinan Kumar tuning in from this morning. Melina available. Well, good morning, Wexa, Emily Iris, and likewise to Simon Mbano Bemanandera.
To all the authority and staff of Fiji from the Vanua ni Vaso ni Wai, Team 1, kena Team 2 timing ni Vanda Bongo, Yanu Nukola Kemba. Solomon Kila Binawali Usarabito Karibulmai and this morning to everybody.
Arunaka to all the friends from the Cook Islands, Tori Katinai, and Malaka and Matago Serra and Baki Dilia Nagia, and Arunaka Maramalita and Winimbu House and Wakanandi. And Mataka Vinaka Dikua. We also say good morning to our dear friend Dinan Kumar, tuning from Bararabeli in Singatoka.
Julum.
Every day.
Oh, Pakandua.
And Mataka Vinaka.
No time missing.
No time missing. And the President Plaza and Samambula, gonna President Coffee Land team go, and Vinaka Permendra Singh. And to all the staff of President Coffee Shop, and welcome to Ouch Palangi.
Tobata, Jay the Timbu and the family. Good morning to you and the family. Thank you very much for your contribution to the morning shift this morning.
Hey, likewise to Wex, Soeli Temotico. He's doing the hero.
Oh,
he's coming inside.
Oi,
he's coming inside the live.
Okay, Julum.
Okay.
Before we continue, Luciana Bosaki, I would like to say good morning to Luciana Bosaki and also to the Island Delights Bakery, for joining this morning and the family from Nakasi for the live this morning.
Nailuba and Naka Simi Bakaki the Esta Masirewa, several to Bambasinga. Bambasinga, where is Bambasinga from the north?
Bambasinga Lambasa.
Oh, Lambasa is also known as Bambasinga.
Bambasinga Tiger. Bambasinga Lion.
Bambasinga Tiger Gorina. Bambasinga Lion is a team from Lambasa. Bambasinga, which we can know it's like in the west. It's very, very hot there.
Okay.
So when you taste a sugar cane from Lambasa, it's very tasty.
Oi,
there is a relationship between the sun and a sugar cane. So people too from Bambasinga, they are very sweet.
Okay, what's the difference between Lambasa town and all the towns in Fiji?
Lambasa
town. Why is Lambasa the best?
Even though you are from different races, you will treat as a family in Lambasa.
Oi.
So that's why we call Lambasa Obonualebu a friendly north.
Totoka. My point.
That's a true thing about Lambasa. If you see one people from different races or from somewhere raise up in Lambasa, you will notice.
Are you from Lambasa? You know straight away
he's from Lambasa because the way of the Kawaitaki.
Okay.
That's why the tank
Take what?
Asili Tibuaka.
Iya.
He takes the sweetie of the Mambasinga
Iya.
and he want to go to Mambasinga.
Okay.
That's why he chose Mambasinga, because of sweetie.
Okay. Ada benar ke solo salah. Kobe lali mai na moto nanti Andrew Rokoua. Zen's Medical Lotto kan bakat na Michigan. Okay. And our story this morning is about one village in Bonolevu.
Yeah.
All the elders there, they noticed that all the robo, so plenty robo in the village.
Huh.
So
Yeah.
they want to make the robo watch.
They want the Dhorbo to Bhagawati
Yeah.
to get married so that it can increase the koro.
Yeah.
Some of the young kids to come.
Yeah.
The Mbumbu, they want to Rongo, they want to carry
Carry,
their
yeah.
grandson,
Yeah.
their grandchildren. But can't do much.
Yeah.
Because of the Dhorbo, they're just...
Roaming around.
They are not roaming around. Their mind is just in the bush, in the forest.
Oh.
They plant
Oi.
the grog, they plant the ndalo, and everything.
Yeah.
They bought vehicles, they build houses,
Yeah.
Yeah.
but that house is empty.
Empty.
Yes,
Okay.
empty because no wife.
Oh.
Okay.
So they bring this idea up to the Mboselevu Koro,
Yeah.
Oi.
to the Mboselevu meeting of the Koro,
Yeah.
and they said, oh, we should do something
Do.
Yeah.
to make sure these people and this thing have to happen.
Yeah.
All the boys in the village should get married.
Yeah.
Only one thing, they can. We tell them, you harvest a grog,
Yeah.
harvest a ndalo, you sell it. You go around Fiji.
Yeah.
Right.
Go around Fiji, look for one salu.
Oh.
Look for one sedikau.
Right,
And
right.
bring it back to the Koro.
Looking for
Meron
butterfly.
tayo
Merani Tower, yes, full house.
Yeah.
Full house every day. So they were saying, next Friday.
Yeah.
Next Friday, we don't want any boys to stay in the village.
Yeah.
All of you, go. Harvest the grog, you sell it, you go.
Right.
So the boys are very happy.
Yeah.
Because the parents, they say that,
Yeah.
Now they harvest the grog, they sell it. Some of them got $2,000.
Yeah.
Some of them got $1,000.
Yeah, the farmers have the money, man.
Have the money.
Yeah.
Some of them, they same time go with their vehicle.
Yeah.
Same time. And one of the boy in that village
Yeah.
came to the father to say goodbye.
Right.
Yeah.
Nakira na biba kalungan ta kinita.
Yeah, the blessing
Blessing, eh?
from the father. Daddy, father,
Yeah.
Yes, daddy.
these people, and you know from Bonolevu,
Yeah.
we all know that Nandi, all the Kebalangi, they came to Nandi.
Right,
They come to Nandi and they
Yeah.
deploy.
A tourist town, eh?
Yeah, tourists.
Yeah.
And they deploy to every
Yeah.
in Fiji.
Yeah.
And this fella said to the father, Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm going down to Nandi.
Right.
Huh?
Alam
I'm
mo
going...
kita ko lagu suba.
Hey, these people, they're going to Suba.
Yeah.
These
Yeah.
people, they're going to Sabu Sabu.
Yeah.
These people, they're going to Mbua.
Yeah.
These people going to Lambasa.
Yeah.
And these people going to Sigatoka.
Yeah.
Why don't you try to go to one village?
Yeah.
No.
I want to change the breed.
This is the breed of Yeah, that's Sumanuman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sabi na kasi kami sa episode na breed.
These people, they target the
Local
ones.
Yeah.
I want the abroad ones.
Oy.
I want one from overseas.
Oh.
Sa
I'm
Gina.
going down to Nandi because Nandi,
Yeah.
lots of the Kaipalangi coming to Nandi.
Oh.
Lots of the white.
Yeah.
I go to Nandi, I'll bring back one white.
Boy.
Ah!
Yeah.
I'm going to Nandi, I'll bring back one white. And this young boy,
Yeah.
he want to get Namakai,
Yeah.
his expectation
Yeah.
of the blessing.
Yeah.
And he told the father, I'm going to Nandi,
Yeah.
I'm bring one white.
Yeah.
And the father told him, Isa, my son, be careful.
Yeah.
If you go to Nandi,
Yeah.
you have to be careful. Otherwise, you
Yeah.
not bring one white, you bring one white dog. At
Yeah.
Ida lo bengu.
Kira gagarauni.
Gagarauni.
Iya.
Mau
Nanti
gagarauni
na pornoleu.
Iya.
Sana mga to ko na blessing.
Iya.
Right.
San tuko na mga ta. Iyo lang maningori.
Iya.
O kanang kaisol mo ni Nandi.
Iya.
O sana
Tuh
sa
sana
sana
mga
mga
iya.
kapula
Iya.
mula.
Binaka.
Do kebalang kabinaka.
Right.
Iyo.
Gagarauni nga lubek.
Ngarauna lo bengu.
Iya.
Ngarauna.
Iya.
Ni ko na sombo ni Nandi.
Iya.
Manang kaisin ko to mendo na kabula bulang. Ko to nga mendo na koli bula.
Sanang kasulan lebih pakalungat tayo non tata. Ngome nunggu lola mabeko.
Iya, tara.
Indo na tangan rabusa.
At Andre.
Benar-benar Punja celebrating 90 years.
dan sana siko maramnita serai.
Yeah.
Ano mo taga di ko.
You know, because sometimes
Yeah.
when you was a kid,
Yeah.
when
Okay.
you was a little boy,
Yeah.
when you grew up, when
Yeah.
the father told you, this will happen to you, the blessing,
Iya.
you will expect expectation, eh?
Tama iwa. Nang mula ke menraw.
Okay. Dar kami toronga. Why do us again Fijian boys are like that?
Like what?
Maka benda wala tunga anta Silvia Bawach.
First, one thing, no planning.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
No,
No
some
planning.
of them, yeah. My them.
Someone no planning. Some of us, we endona kaenda wele bulikina.
Yeah.
Like na titi mbeka nguniangona.
Yeah.
Eseni tu nandai tu ng bulan ni Bakawati.
Yeah.
Gori.
Sa sama tau tunga ng bulan ni spoil taki.
Yeah.
O spoil taki kapa ko na bawati ortong ko na ba spoil taki ang balita ni nabisuki o nagumbuy.
Yeah.
Au nasirin nila ko seso na kaya binakato kami kitutubata bango.
Yeah.
Orto lang manatabalin orto na ba spoil taki o mikitutos.
Right.
Kung matangalian daw baka tatao tal tunga ni Bakawati kini karua kini katulong kami kini oti-oti.
Yeah.
Na tapos na so na itukutu ko le rongo ng bulan ni Bakawati.
Yeah.
Gori.
Uy, hindi na Bakawati.
Yeah.
Kila? Iku na best tunga.
Yeah.
Iku na singa ni rawan ni may Bakawati ko mantanga kero sa usabi na katal tumungalala.
Yeah.
So na ital na niso,
Yeah.
array baka duro mo tibira duro bukin ng onelewa.
Yeah.
Ko le baka tatawa tu kina ni bula Bakawati.
Bula
Dua
Bakawati.
talangango.
Yeah.
Nandi na sa senga.
Yeah.
Ko na kena baso taga babalang na cheating.
Yeah.
Kana lasa.
Yeah.
Gori.
Nalasan do na ka eso sala isin di bang botakin na eso. Sabi na lang mertua le tunga.
Nada bertual itu kan.
Mm.
Mana non rebeli bawat ya.
Right.
E so mantanga,
Yeah.
ang tumbuta ka may sa tungtu bira.
Iya.
Ni marutakam tanong ni bula padorbo.
Right.
Eh?
Iya.
O kenda minta kayo.
Onang kay soro nga.
Onang kay soro nga.
Iya.
Eso, saka misawati mo le ang gori.
Iya.
Oh, sengay.
Waktu ya.
Sindu bida karon sindu bida kata na
Fixed marriage.
Na gori.
Iya.
Sindu bida bawati.
Iya.
Salay tol sa puluh mai.
Iya.
Nong kay tol sulok kali mo kay basa puluh.
Amber.
Oh, very sorry indeed. You go pass.
Iya.
You go pass.
Iya.
Ya eso.
Iya.
O kenda, menda bulu berna basu.
Right.
O rabasu.
Iya.
Ngam baktin kawalunga, eso ang baktin kaono.
Right.
Sarapakawati.
Cerita dia dan cerita dia wadalat.
Tilkao no kay tilkao sa mela, tilkao no goring na kamuskirito lang mundara tampanin ko awa.
No, from that time,
Yeah.
From my uncle's time,
Yeah.
Iyo. In nangaw nang gatuno ang gatuno ni uncle ko. Uncle, why you get married so young?
Iya.
Why you get married so young? 16 years.
Are luberna ko sa Bakawati
You get
ngone.
married.
Iya.
Are bena.
Iya.
Time ko sa 20 30,
Iya.
time ko sa 30, hanggo ko lubena sa daro butal ito.
Right.
Time ko sa berang kasi may 40.
Yeah.
Ko sa kita kati ko na job.
Yeah.
Ang lubena sa kita katala na job. Sa raw talang
Sa bibuke, bibuke.
Bebuke, sa raw talang bula.
Iya.
Kasi ang bebuke,
Right.
sa raw talang bula sa toso ko sa
Saya ke ya dorba kasabi na bikin na morong suno mata di
Iyo.
betor bukan nama nelawa bikin na marama. Di sibertal tunga di bawat sir manongo tolu sa bulu basa bulu.
Iyo.
Ni kira-kira me ni ngay mai pan lo maniring me sa tamay bawat.
Ano
Yeah.
tao?
Eh.
Dito lang ang ito ko na biyo
Baya.
uncle bayango.
Iya.
Lupena.
Iya.
Time ko sa kita ka na bakawati.
Iya.
Kikita ka na ngone.
Ya.
Ha?
Mo ko na ngone, mo ko tiko na ngone bayang baki. Tuna baki ruwa tolu. Iyo.
Meruo to lewe hambake dama na susubuaka. Tudoro to lewe we hambake o bango iyo. Abaka rabi.
Nemu.
Uncle.
Uncle. Beka kendaro sa kare sa wit pola dre.
Kemalu ako kondaru demo manda.
Iyo.
Oke, antar pakai sama lelengan taga bitalo cikir kina.
Goi.
Rokata setaka like taka hatta ka main nanda aus palangi show. Ay na pagka tambis signi ko. Okay? Sabi cuma sali ka kambrang ko meta mo mataka ni mataka go kurmundu.
Turang taning ko.
Engon de Messi.
Kalau ngata.
Like hat setak ay.